SB19 at Jolene, pinag-uusapan ngayon sa China dahil sa kantang MOG. Narito. SB19 at isang sikat na Taiwanese singer na si Jolene, sikat ngayon sa Weibo, China at pinag-uusapan, trending, most talk about dahil sa kanilang kantang MOG featuring SB19. Maraming nag-post, nag-content all about MOG na song collaboration ng SB19 at ng isang Taiwanese singer na si Jolene, ginawang content at most talk about sa mga content creator na member o user ng Weibo China. As you can see, it was flashed on the screen ang mga posting nila from Weibo China. Ito yung mga status at post ng mga Chinese fans sa Weibo app nila. Kaya naman, maraming salamat mga Chinese sa pagsuporta sa aming SB19 at sa isang singer na isang Taiwanese na si Jolene, na bagong song collaboration singer mula sa Taiwan ang kanilang kantang MOG. Kaya naman, congratulations at thank you so much.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one